Look how dusty it looks. We're at Dutch Bros. We gotta get a drink. And we got some errands to run. It is super windy. When I was driving on the road, my car was shaking. Look at this. I think I'm gonna have the Palm Beach today. That one. Peach and pomegranate. It sounds good. What are you gonna have, Mia? I usually get the electric berry or the rainbow. Today we're doing the Palm Beach. What do you want, Mia? You want 100-piece puzzle, Mickey Mouse?
Yes. Thank you.
You like puzzles lately, don't you?
Yeah, they're entertaining. I can't get the 3D unicorn one down now. Too hard.
It smells like marijuana in here. Gummy carrots. Why are you trying to hurt me?
Say you. Only in.
Okay.
I'll never wear them. I'll never wear any of them.
Alright.
Can I get chips?
Yeah, okay.
You're the best dad ever. Thank you. You're the best. You're the best.
For an hour.
Yes.
Alright, we just left the Dollar Tree here in Richland, Washington. We came to get super glue. And y'all know how that goes. So we walked out with a few things.
So hot.
It is really windy, but really hot. I don't know why we're a sweatshirt, but we gotta go to the grocery store and then I gotta go get gas because my gas light just came on. And then we're done for the day. That good old motel. We're at Walmart. There's no sales. You having fun?
I jumped.
Hold up. Wait right there. Whew, we made it out of Walmart. And it is 4 o'clock already. That is crazy. Cannot believe it's already 4 p.m. All right, Max went to go do some driving lessons with his mom. So me and Mia are gonna go run some errands. It is super windy outside and dusty. How dusty it is over there. Welcome to the Tri-Cities. Get a little bit of wind. And it is dusty as heck. Look at all those trees moving around over there.
We literally live in a desert.
Yes.
Like, we're just a town in the middle of
And we just had a tornado the other day. Oh, look how dusty. How was your driving?
Okay.
You were gone for like 3 hours.
Yeah, we went to Susan's.
You drove all the way out there and back?
Yeah.
Awesome, dude. You got some good driving. So you got 3 hours worth of driving.
3.5.
Pause. What?
Very cool. Very cool. It's super windy. Whoa. Wow, it is really bad outside. Let's close that. So last night I opened the door to look out I already told Mia, I opened the door to look outside. Remember when I opened it? And I was sleeping on the couch, and like at 3 o'clock in the morning, I kept hearing this noise. I knew it was going to be windy today because I saw it, but I kept hearing like this boom, boom, boom noise. And it was super cold last night, really cold. And then I finally got up and I realized that I didn't close the door properly, and the door was wide open at 3 o'clock in the morning. And that's why it was freezing cold.
It was hot in my room.
It was freezing cold.
I sleep on the floor even though I have a
It gets
bed.
hot in my room sometimes, and then it's freezing cold in my room.
Yeah.
I feel floors are more comfortable.
Maybe I'm just old. I don't know. All right. What's for dinner? Pizza, chicken nuggets. We got these at the Dollar Tree. They're to clean your clean your phones. Which one's Max's?
I give up.
The cat one.
I give
or
up.
whatever that is.
These
This one?
siblings are way too
This one?
affectionate.
Yeah.
That one's yours.
What's that?
It's to clean your phone. Yeah, Mia's got a duck down here.
Georgie. His name's Bond.
And this one's for Alicia. She got a little dog.
What is one?
I don't even know.
It's like
supposed
a
to be
cat.
I don't
Looks
even
like a
see it as a cat. Like it looks.
It looks like a drunk cat.
I know. It looks weird.
Oh, thank God.
All right, we rented a movie, The Toll. It looks pretty good.
And we turn on the heat.
The toll man.
Are you cold?
Yeah.
Just a little bit.